The overall goal of the following video is to demonstrate construction of a simple 3D gel microfabrication tool and its use in pattern transformation of swelling gel tubes by elastic instability. A simple micro 3D printer is built using an off-the-shelf digital data projector in order to fabricate tubular gel samples with different dimensions. Fabrication of the tubular gel samples is achieved by projecting a designed image onto the sample holder, which is immersed in a resin bath containing a pre-polymer solution with photoinitiator and photoabsorber. Once a layer is formed by photopolymerization, the sample holder drops and the next layer is fabricated on top of the previous one. In this way, a 3D sample is fabricated in a layer-by-layer fashion. Next, each sample is brought into contact with water in order to trigger shape transformation by swelling-induced elastic instability. Results show that circular tubes transform into various wavy patterns with different wave numbers depending on the geometry of buckling gel.
The main advantage of this fabrication technique over existing methods like photolithography is that it offers a rapid 3D microfabrication tool for soft materials such as gels. As a result, various interesting 3D geometries that are difficult to make can now be easily realized into physical objects for experimental study.
To begin this procedure, prepare the pre-polymer solution containing photoinitiator and photoabsorber as described in the written protocol. Following solution preparation, place a digital